y'all can make it back to the bridge from here.
Thanks, brother.
Good luck to you. Y'all take care now.
You made it real damn far, people. I'm proud of you. Now let's just cross that last mile. Will you cut that shit out? Young, stop that shit. Excuse me? Cut that shit out. Oh, excuse me? Will you cut that shit out? Young, stop that shit. Cut that shit out. Oh, excuse me? Cut that shit out.
I'm down.
Will you cut?
I need some help. Hey, I need some help over here.
Up we go. Nice shit.
Thanks a lot.
You gotta quit moving.
Oh, yeah.
Young, stop that. Young, stop that shit. Will you cut that shit out? Cut that shit out. Excuse me?
Help!
Yeah, you good.
Much obliged.
Stand still, or I'm gonna mess this up.
Oh, yeah.
Cut that shit out. Oh, excuse me? Will you cut that shit out?
What the hell are you doing? Have you lost your mind? Oh, okay, that better have been an. Oh, ow! Hey! Oh, have you lost your mind?